Alright, welcome back subscriber, welcome YouTube. I know GameStop has been covered ad nauseum and is the flavor of the week on YouTube, and everyone's making a video about it, but I just wanted to share my thoughts, and for no other reason than the Persian from the loop going on in my head. Before I get started, I don't own any shares of GameStop, and at this time I have no intention of taking any sort of position in GME. Okay, so you can make a lot of money shorting stocks. That's why hedge funds do it. And we also know with great risks comes great gains, and in this case, great losses. Everyone knows that with shorting, if you're on the losing end, your losses can be infinite. And certainly someone managing $1 billion plus investment has some sort of degree, you would think. And at some point, while getting that degree, this topic was covered. And as a degreed, scholarly professional, losing some money in the market can't come as a shock. Go and watch almost any YouTube finance channel, and they will tell you shorting is not a smart idea and is very risky. I know this, you know this, they know this. That we all get to see it play out on television should be a solid reminder. The fact that these managers got their asses handed to them on such a public forum is hilarious. You know who hasn't lost their ass during this shell game fiasco? Buy and hold dividend investors. But that's another video. The greedy just played the odds one too many times and got burned. Too fucking bad. That's the hilarious bit of all this. The infuriating piece is the brokerage houses limiting buying to, quote unquote, protect their customers. Alright, I just want to share this video from CNBC showing this interview with the CEO of Robinhood.
I want to bring in...
First of all, I love that little head shake right there at the beginning from Andrew. I think it says everything about his feelings towards all that is going on here.
The CEO of Robinhood, Vlad Atenev, is with us right now, and we appreciate you joining us on a day where there are so many questions. And as Melissa just said, there are, frankly, as you know, a lot of angry customers out there and a lot of questions about what took place and the decisions that you made to limit so many of your customers' ability to buy stocks like GameStop. Questions about whether you have a liquidity problem, whether you're trying to protect them from themselves, whether Citadel did this. Explain what happened today.
Thank you for having me on the show again, Andrew. So what happened today was, as you pointed out, we had to make a very difficult decision. It's been a challenging day. We made the decision in the morning to limit the buying of about 13 securities on our platform. So to be clear, customers could still sell those securities if they had positions in them.
So you can still sell, but who's buying? Who are you selling to?
And they could also trade in the thousands of other securities on our platform. So it was a difficult decision, and that's what we had to do as part of normal operations.
But explain.
That's what you had to do as part of normal operations. All right. Here's the video. You can go watch. I can't stand watching it anymore. You know, their customers are adults that can be responsible for their own actions. Anyone taking part in this can suffer the consequences and reap the benefits of their own actions without any hand-holding. Let me ask this. Who is protecting those not even in the market? Who's protecting those same customers from running up thousands in credit card and student loan debt? Who's protecting the hedge fund managers from shorting 130% of a single stock? I'm not now, nor will I ever be, a customer of Robinhood. I don't need them to protect me. Again, like I said, if you're only allowed to sell GME, who's buying GME? Who are you selling it to? Can somebody explain that to me in the comments? I don't understand that, how that's going to work out. Let the investors do with their money what they want. That may include buying stock that someone else doesn't think is worth it. Remember, every trade has two participants. Happens every day. Every time someone sells a stock, it's because they think it's overvalued or they need to get out of it for one reason or another. And the person buying it thinks it's a good deal. Who's protecting those people? We don't need protection. All right, let me wrap this up. And I think this thing should be allowed to play out without any brokerages stepping in to protect, read that as restrict, any of these adult investors. A lot of money is going to change hands. Some are going to win huge and some are going to lose, and 100% are going to walk away with a bit more knowledge and experience than they had a few weeks ago. Okay, sorry, I just had to rant. Next week I'll be back with another investing video. Thanks for watching, subscriber. If you enjoy any of these, please like and subscribe, hit the bell notification, yada yada. All right, thank you very much. Enjoy, invest wisely, buy what you want when you want.
All's my life I has to fight, nigga.